Valencia sent me this dog seat cover for my review, and I'm excited to try it out because I have a little Frenchie and I don't like putting him in the car because he's definitely going to ruin the leather with his nails. So based on the look of this, super simple to put on the car. I think it just kind of hangs over the seat, and then it's going to be nice and protected. So let's go ahead and put it on and see what it looks like. Okay, Walter, you're about to ruin the car, so you need to come out so I can put this protectant over the seat, or else your nails are going to ruin everything. So, this is exactly why I need one of these. So basically, I'm not sure how it goes. I think it's really simple. I think you just loop this like this, and then I'm going to do the other side as well. And then, let me see here. So you can adjust it, of course. They are adjustable straps. So we're just going to do that. And then check this out. I love that it has these flaps here on the side. So it actually flaps down and protects the side. Because oftentimes some of these just kind of stop right here. But of course your dog can still scratch the side. So this just kind of flaps down. And then his nails aren't going to ruin that anymore. You do have the little holes here so that you can still reach the seat belt. Because I believe, yep, here it is, really awesome. It comes with these connectors, so you can actually clip this into the seat belt. So now that's in the seat belt, and I can attach this to his harness, so when he's sitting here, he's not going to be flopping around all over the place. So that is really fantastic. As you saw, literally took me 2 seconds. Now let's let the little guy up here. Come on, buddy. So here he is now. Now he's not going to be directly on top of the seat, so his nails aren't going to scratch anything. His hair, if he has accidents, this is also waterproof, so it's not going to go through, which is really great. And this is machine washable.